Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are currently doing the e-commerce website series where we have already done the two videos. First one is of introduction video and the second one is based on the project setup and the authentication system. So now we are with the third one video where we have to set up the admin dashboard and we have to do work with the category management, and we have to add the management things over here. It will include the CRUD thing in this video, so stay tuned and let's start that. So first of all, let me give you a review that we are done with the several things. Like we have made the made a admin seeder over here with the array here with the name as admin user, which I guess will be admin fine, email admin@admin.com, password 123 and up to 8, role admin, because we will have only one admin, that's why I have seeded the role. Otherwise we can ask them on the time of logging in or sign up, but we are not doing that. And as we have set default to customer, we have here in the views we have customer folder where we have the customer dashboard, we have authentication folder where we have login and the sign up things, we have admin dashboard admin folder here with the admin dashboard, and the users with the manage user view file. Also we have created a repository for this e-commerce website which I will mention in the description. You guys can access to that repository. Let me show you guys that repository. Here we have, let's open the GitHub. We have created that. Also I have done 2 commits over there, one with the name of the authentication system, and that commit have all the things that are related to the authentication, and the second commit is of customer dashboard designing. So that is basically related to the designing of the customer dashboard, how we have designed that. So now as when we will done with the admin dashboard setup, then I'll commit with the name of the admin dashboard development, and then you guys can view the commits according to the functionality, we can say. So this is our repository, you guys can access it, it is public, you guys can clone it, you guys can access the code, you guys can see the commits. So our very first commit is project authentication. It has all the authentication logics, and this one is customer dashboard redesigning. You guys can click over here and see the commit details. Okay, so now let's get back to the work, and let me show you guys the admin dashboard. So this is admin dashboard. So far I haven't created the admin dashboard stuff over here right now, so we have to make that. But first of all we are creating this manage user page. After that we will create here the modules to we can say give the links to manage users, manage products, add products, create products, and all that. So let's do that first. So we have created it so far. Now let me show you the controller thing. This is the admin controller, and we have created a function with the name of the manage users. So we are getting all the users except the one with the role of admin. So let's see. Now what we can do is I am about to add the font awesome CDN in our dashboard, so that we can include the icons over there as well. So I have opened here font CDN, so let's open it. This is the font awesome CDN. This is font awesome link. I am copying the link tag here Also, I would like to copy the jQuery tag, jQuery CDN as well. So let's first of all search for it as well. So this is the jQuery. I'm copying the link of it as well. Now let's include it in the project. I will go here in the admin.welcome file and I will include here. First of all, I will be placing the jQuery. So this was the jQuery link. I've pasted that. Now I will paste the font awesome link and let's see what is going to happen now. If the links are going, if the icons are going to be rendered there or not. So let's see that. Perfect. Okay, so you guys can see that here we have a pencil icon which indicates the edit thing, and here is a trash icon which indicates the delete thing. So it's pretty good. We have a icon here which indicates the adding a user, and let's add some other icons as well. Like I would like to add some icons here. I would like to add an icon of logout here. So let's do that first. Okay, perfect. I will go here in the dashboard and I will add icons over here. So I will first of all add the icon for user. You have to add I tag with the class, and inside class you have to write FAS user. Let's see that now. I guess we should have to give it a color. Let's see. No, FA user. Yeah. So now it is visible. Also, I would add here, I will modify it to order. For messages settings, we will say setting, or we can simply open the font awesome and check that out. For payment, I will say dollar. For messages, I will say message. Okay, order is not there, settings did not come, and for the dashboard we have to search for that. Okay, so let's do that first. I will open the font awesome website so that we can find some appropriate icons for the dashboard, payments and orders. So I will click here on the icons. Okay, so it is opening. Okay, so now I will search here for payments. It is loading currently. This is the logout icon which I want to add there. Let's see. Okay, so payment is done. We should look for settings. Okay, so these are some icons. This is good one. We can use this one. So I guess we can use it with the name of the gear. Let's use that. FA gear. Now let's see that. Okay, it is there for orders. Now we have to check for the orders. Orders. Order or let's use this one for now. Now let's check for the message. This should be there. FA solid FA message. FA solid FA message. Now let's see. Okay, dashboard is left only. Dashboard. I guess we can use a home. Yeah, we can use the home icon for the dashboard. So let's use the home icon for the dashboard. Okay, so I will edit it and make it home. Let's see. Perfect. So it is now looking much better. Also we have to add a icon here as well, so let's do that. For the logout thing, I will add here logout. Let's see. Let's search here. Yeah, this one is the icon. FA right from bracket. This is the one. I've copied it and we will simply replace it. Yeah, perfect. Now it is looking much better. Good. Okay, so now as we have added all the users here, and so now I guess we should make these options dynamic, and I will remove this one because we don't need to add a user, like admin can manage only. So let's delete that. Add user. Okay, it is in the manage user. We have to remove it. Perfect. Now let's make these dynamic. First of all, we will have to create the route for the edit and the delete one. So let's do that first. I will create a route with, first of all, for edit, we will, to go on the edit page, we will have to create the route with get and edit and id. After that, we will admin controller, add the controller, colon class, and then the function name, which is the edit user. Now we will add the name edit user. Perfect. So this is the route which will take us to the edit page, and now create this function. I will go here in the admin controller, and I will create a function edit user, and I will give it an ID. And we will, what we will do now, we will find for that user colon find, which means that find, go in the user table and find the one with this ID. Okay, now we will return it to view admin dot users dot edit, and we will send the user from here. Perfect. Okay, so now what I will do, I am closing this one. I will go here in the manage. I will send the ID with here. I will create a route here, route admin dot edit user, and we will send the ID with it, and the ID will be user into ID. Now what we will do is we will encrypt this ID, so that for the security reasons we can say I've encrypted, and now when we will get here the ID, it will be in encrypted form. So I will decrypt it first, decrypt it just like this. Also, now we have to admin dot edit user. Perfect. Now we have to create a edit page, edit dot plate dot php, and for now I will like extend admin dot dashboard. I will do here section content, and I will simply edit user into name. Now let's check that. Perfect. So it has said that edit user Slavia Adams. So now let's create the edit page. First of all, okay, so here is some recommended code by AI. Let's add it and then modify it. So this is what it has given us so far. Let's see, and it is pretty much good. We will have to eliminate this thing. We will not allow, yeah, but we will allow, but the value will be vendor. If admin wants to change a user with the role of customer to a vendor, he can do that. Customer to vendor. Also, the name is perfect, the email is good, role is good and update. Now it's looking much fine, much better. So it can, as in the table we can see, this is our database. This here we have the, where we have eCommerce. This is the eCommerce one. So this is the eCommerce database, and we have here we have the users table. In the user table we have only name, email, and password. Okay, we should include here the password as well, so that if admin wants to update the password, he will be able to do that. So Let me do that. MB3 and label password with class label password in this. Perfect. Leave blank to keep the current password. Otherwise, if you want to update, you can add new password and we will update that, but we will not show you the previous one due to the security reasons. To cancel it, we will take it back to manage users, and if you want to edit it, you can go here. Perfect. So now create a route for this one. Route colon post. We will create put route basically here. Update user ID and update user function. Update user. Perfect. We will create a function here. So this is the recommended code, and let's fix that. Name required string maximum 255 characters. Perfect. Required string email maximum 255. Unique users email. Perfect. Why this one? Delete that. We don't need that. Also role in customer and vendor. So you have to carefully look at the recommended code and you have to fix that. Don't go blindly over that. So okay, we also have the password thing. So void min 6 password. Password password we have to hash it. Also we have to make it nullable, because sometimes admin might not want to update it, so it can be nullable as well. Okay, perfect. I guess we are all done here. So let's add the route here. Admin dot update user into ID. Encrypt that. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's see that. Submit that and try to update that. Let's change all the values. I've changed all the values here. Name, email, I've changed vendor and the password. Now update it. It is updated. You guys can see here. Okay, so now first thing which I have noticed here, that we have redirected it to the route with a success message, but there came no success message because we haven't handled that yet. So let's handle that first as well. So what I will do is I will include the toaster message CDN here, so that it can show it and it will look really presentable and well to showcase all the messages, I will open toaster CDN and we will add that so that it can showcase us the error or the success message perfectly. So this is the JS one, this is the CSS one. Let's copy both, and in the welcome file, in the dashboard file, sorry, in the dashboard file I will add these. First of all, I will add JS, I will add CSS, and now I will create a file with the name of toaster.blade.php. Now what it will do is, I will include this file here. I will include this file partials.toaster. So it is under admin, so I will say admin.toaster, or we can take it outside the admin. It will be even better, inside views, just like this. And the name of the toaster are wrong, so let's manage that as well. Toaster, perfect. Now it is good, and here I will only add toaster. Now what I will do is that if session had success message, just like this one, if this session has, if toaster.success, if this session has this success message, just like this. Here we have the script tag and toaster.error message when we have error, warning and info, all these. Warning when we have any warning, when we have info, show info. Perfect. Now let's see what is going to happen. I will again edit it. These are, this will happen. No, it is not working. Like, why are these three? Okay, I'm getting that. We have to add that @ session has success, just like this one. Then add the success only. Just like this. Now @ session error message, then add error if it has like warning, add warning. If it has info, add info. Now it's perfect. Now let's test it now. I will open it. I will make a small change to email, update that. User updated successfully. Now it is very beautifully updated the status and the response that what we have done. Okay, so if in case the error come here, user not found, then it will represent us in the red, that user not found, indicating the error thing. So I guess we are done here, and we should now move on to the delete thing. So I will create the delete route very first. So first of all, we have to create a delete route. delete delete user, we have to have an id here, and the delete method over here in the controller. So public function delete user, we will decrypt the id first, we will find the user, then we will delete the user, and we will show there the message that user deleted successfully. So now add a route here, so let's do that. Route, sorry, route admin dot delete user. We will add here the user id. We will first add the encrypt here, then user into id. Perfect. Now let's test that. I will click here, delete this user. We have a confirmation. Okay, user deleted successfully, so this user has been deleted successfully. Okay, so far now we are done with the update thing, we are done with the delete thing, we are managing the user here, and let's add something over here in the dashboard, and then we will complete our this video. Okay, so I will add some things to the admin dashboard, and our dashboard will build up slowly, you can say. In the dashboard, I will, in the content section, I will add here the, what about renaming it, this file, to welcome admin dot welcome, and we will edit it here as well, admin dot welcome, admin dot welcome. Now I am doing this for a reason, because I have to create a dashboard file inside the admin which will hold all the dashboard content. Okay, so I have added this wrong, we have to add it here only blade. Now I will extend here admin dot welcome, add the section content, and now I will add here that admin dashboard. Okay, so perfect. Now you guys can see whatever we will add to this file, this will be the dashboard content. We have users content displaying perfectly, we have edit page perfectly rendering, and we have the admin thing as well. So now let's create the admin page with the help of the AI. Okay, so we will go here, internet issues. Okay, perfect, so there is no problem. We will create a simple div dot container, we can create it at our own as well, we don't need such thing. We will say call md3, and we will say that first of all we have to give a main heading with h1 as admin dashboard. Okay, so let's see that, and we will have to give m5 here. Okay, so I guess mt5 was perfect, yeah, and ms3, it is looking good, p3, perfect. Also top margin should be 3, Yeah, it is looking good now. We will create a box. I have first of all to wrap it in a row, and then here, and we will say here we will add a subheading that manage users, and I will give here a link route manage users admin dot manage users. And now we will uh, that view with the class of btn sn btn primary. Perfect. So I will add here that this is a card. Yes, we can add here a description, manage all users of the application. In the row we can add a padding. Okay, so now we have one card over here in the admin dashboard. Whenever we are going to do things with the order functionality, we are going to integrate the payment thing, we will add up cards over there. And let me make this card call md4, which will be better. Yeah, it looks fine now. When I will click here at view, we will be here. So now we have done the things with the admin dashboard. We have added a card here with the manage users, and it is having a link over here which will take us to the manage users page. When we will be working with the orders thing, we will add here a orders card, we will add here a payments card, and that way our admin dashboard will be completed. So now I will make a commit here so that you guys can access the code which we have done today in the public repository, which I have shown you guys. I will mention the link in the description. You guys can see that over there as well. So let's make a commit, and then we are done with this video. So let's make it quickly. Okay, so what we will do is git add all, git commit -m manage users functionality and dashboard in custom in admin panel. You guys can view the commit details, git push, and it's there. Perfect. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and stay tuned for the other videos of this series. See you in the next video. Bye bye.